Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So let us discuss today Python sets. For more videos you can subscribe our channel also. So let us see what is sets in Python. So first we will see the introduction. Sets. Sets are basically like a data structure, like list, tuple. Sets also a data structure in Python that holds a collection of items in a single variable, right? A set is a collection which is, you can say, unordered, unchangeable, unindexed. Set like list and tuple are ordered, but sets are unordered. List is changeable, tuple is not changeable, or you can say unchangeable. Set is also unchangeable and unindexed. Unindexed means the position of the inserted items will not remain same, they will change their position. They will change their position. And sets elements are unique. That means list and tuples allow duplicate elements, but set doesn't allow duplicate elements, right? Insertion order is not preserved. List and tuples insertion order is preserved. Sets are written with curly brackets and separated using comma. List written with square brackets. Sets are written with curly brackets. List written with square brackets, and tuple written with parentheses, or you can say rounded brackets, right? So move on. Here we will see how to create a set, right? So this is the example. So let us see how to create a set. So here on editor we will create a set. Suppose my set, we have given a name my set, as sets are written use curly brackets. Sets are written in curly brackets. Lists are written in rounded brackets. Tuples written in parentheses. The list written with square brackets. Tuple written with parentheses or rounded brackets. Sets are written in curly brackets. Suppose we take the values 10 integer, we take one string, and suppose we take negative value, and we take suppose float value. Suppose if we take boolean value, right? Suppose we have created this set in which this is integer, this is string, this is negative value, negative, this is float value, and this is boolean value. So right, we have created a set. Now print this my set, right? So run this, and now you can see the result. So the here is curly brackets, right? Sets are written in curly brackets. So you can see this is boolean value, this is a float value, this is integer value, this is negative value, and this is string value. right? So all types of data type, right? Int type, float type, string, all data type, boolean type, all data type are allowed in the sets. But one thing you can see, 10 here is inserted at 0 index position, but here 10 is at 0 1 2 2 index position. Here it is at 0 position, 0 index position. That means insertion order is not preserved, or you can say sets are unindexed, or you can say unordered. But because here sets, here you can see 10 is inserted at 0 index position, but here 10 is at 0 1 2 at second index position. That's why we can say sets are unindexed, unordered, or insertion order is not preserved, that we can say, right? One more thing we will see, if we take one more 10 here, right? So here is 10 10 2 times 10s in the set. So sets does not allow duplicate values items. So if we run this, now you can see here is only single 10 is present in the set, but here we inserted 2 10 2 times, but here is only one time 10 is present. That's why we can say sets contain unique values or items, right? One more thing, suppose, because sets are unindexed, sets are, one more thing, if you want to check, if you want to confirm is it really a set or not, if you want to confirm it is really set or not, then you can use the print type function. This type function will tell you it is set or not. So this type function will confirm, tell you that, so this is your set or list or tuple, what kind of data structure you are using here, what kind of data structure it is, this type function will let you know, right? So if you run this, so class is set. So why using this type function, it is confirmed this data structure is a set data structure, this data structure is a set data structure, right? So by using this type function you can find out the type of data structure, what kind of data structure this is, right? One more thing I want to tell you, that here if you want to, suppose if you want to access, suppose if we remove 110 here, right? If you want to access this India from the set, if you want to access this item from this set, if you want to access this India from the set, how will you access? How will you access? One thing, by using index we can access this site, we can try by using index position of this item, we can try to access this India items or element. So this is 0, this is 1, right? So we can say this, if we can say this is at one index position, right? Like you can write this way actually, right here in brackets, provide the one as index. So this element index position is 1, so b in the square bracket we provided 1. So if we run this, what is the output? The output is type error. Why type error? Type error, set object is not subscriptable. Why type error? Because one more thing you can see, print my set. If we run this, okay, one more thing, if we run, suppose if we here, now run this, the see here this print statement is working, right? So this is the set. We want to access this item, this element India, so that's why we have given index 1. But you can see in this side, when we run this, then India is available at last 0 1 2 3 4. So India here is present at index 4 position, right? But here we are giving here 1, we are giving because here we can see India is, we inserted India at 1 index position, that's why we have provided 1 as an index. But once we run this, then India is 0 1 2 3 4. So India takes the position at index position 4, but here we want to access at 1 index position, that's why we say sets are unindexed, unordered, insertion order is not preserved. So from this we can say that why using index we cannot access the elements of the sets. Why? By this program, by this we can say sets we cannot access the elements of the sets. Suppose we cannot access, okay, if we want to change, if we want to try to change the element of the set, suppose if we want to change India to USA, right? Suppose, and we provide the index 1, now we want to change India to USA, right? So because India is at here in this, we inserted India at index 1 position, that's why we provided here at index 1, and we want to change India to USA by using the index. Now run this. There is also a type error. Type error, set object does not support item assignment. That means, because one more thing, you can just a minute, print my set. If we run this, so because we want to change India, this element, but India again goes to the last fourth index position, right? So actually sets are unordered, unindexed, because their position is not fixed, they are not, their insertion order is not preserved. That's why we cannot access the items or elements of the set why using index, or why using index we cannot change the elements of the set also. So here we are trying to change the India to USA, but we cannot change because sets are unindexed. So if you try to change, then you will get the error, that is type error in both the cases. So in both the cases you will get the error if you want to try to change, right? Because you can see, suppose if you remove this, right, you can see one thing here. Suppose here India is at index 1, right? Again run this. Now India here, this position, second last position. Now again run this. Now India at last position. Again run this. So again, now again run this. Now India is again change the position. So every time we are running the program, India is changing their position. That's why we can say the sets are unindexed, unordered, or right, their insertion is not preserved also, right? So these are the some basic things about the sets. Okay, so next things we will discuss in next video. Thank you for watching. Thanks.